Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain coin. In my previous videos, we were watching that the price line of Vechain formed a cup and handle pattern on the weekly time frame, and this was the body of the cup, this was the resistance, and this was the handle of that cup and handle pattern. And right now you can see that the price line has broken out the resistance of this cup and handle, and if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line has retraced a little bit more than 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. An ideal pattern is up to 0.50 Fibonacci. However, I'm expecting that so far this pattern is in play, and if the price line breaks out this resistance of the handle, this resistance of the cup, then it can hit the target of this cup and handle that is approximately at 25 cents. Right now, the price line has broken out two patterns. One is a bullish reversal, another one is a bearish reversal, and the price line has broken out both patterns. And in today's video, I want to show you what can be our imminent targets after this breakout. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you the first pattern, and that is an inverse head and shoulder that the price line has formed on the daily time frame. And this is the left shoulder, and then we have the head of the pattern, and this is the right shoulder of this head and shoulder pattern. And you can see that the price line has broken out the neckline of this head and shoulder, and at the same time the price line has also broken out this 200 daily simple moving average as well, this yellow line. So we had two resistance levels at the same time, the 200 simple moving average and also this neckline of the head and shoulder. We can see that we had a rejection here by this neckline, moved down again, and we had a rejection by 200 simple moving average and the neckline from the both resistance level. At the same time, the price line moved down, formed the right shoulder, moved up again, and we had another slight rejection, and finally the price line is out of this head and shoulder. Now our next imminent target after this breakout, if I place this trend line, that is the measurement from this head to this neckline at this breakout point, that is approximately at 6.5 cents. Now let's take a look at the second breakout that we have recently by the price line of Vechain, and that is on the 4-hourly time frame. You can see that the price line was moving in this rising wedge since 28th of September, and finally we have broken out this resistance of the rising wedge in the previous candle on this 4-hourly time frame. Right now the price line is testing the previous resistance of the rising wedge as a support, and if we take a look at the RSI, there is a bit trouble on the chart, because the RSI is forming lower high, and if we take a look at the price line has formed higher than previous highs. So there is a small bearish divergence on the daily on the 4-hourly time frame. However, if we take a look at on the daily time frame, then the RSI is still forming higher highs and higher lows. So I'm expecting that after this correction and this retest, the price line can start the next move to the upside, and our next imminent target after this breakout and after a successful retest of this resistance of the rising wedge, our next target can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, that is approximately at 16.5 cents. So we have the same targets for both patterns, and the price line after this retest can imminently hit these targets. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.